Red light run, and intersection blocking too because you're an idiot.
Your wine is bad. It's
what?
It's box wine quality.
Oh my god.
No, stop.
This is how you want to start the year here on the Godpod. Insult.
But that didn't stop incels and idiots on the internet from sharing content.
Don't cut the corner!
That basically
Idiot! This is my lane! Mine! Yeah, start. People don't like to yield to pedestrians because pedestrian lives don't matter, I guess.
I think it's a good idea. If you can't, I still think you should do it. I think you should still get as light a gear as you can, but
no, stop.
You know, not having the best.
Dallas. There was no Winnipeg in the 70s. No one was tuning in every week to see Winnipeg.
Time for the left turn lane.
Carlo on the IR. Also on the...
apropos, is that what you said? He had to follow Bill Parcells when he was with the Patriots. Pete Carroll.
No, turn on red.
The whole time he was there, he was not Bill Belichick.
It's just as simple as that.
It tips the scales, and there's no going back from that.
And there may be no going back.
No, turn on red.
Some going back.
And somehow this one just came up. I'm a friend of Corey DeLaval.
Wait, that was left. That was right turn. No, red light run.
A summer unsupported.
Red light run. Red light run. Red light run.
And all of those were, to raise money, and then this one is also to raise money. So what made
exit dive? Wow. Gonna figure out where the airport was?
The prosecutor grew impatient. Wasn't she taken away from you and taken to the hospital at Pawhuska?
No,
Weren't you
stop.
administering insulin to her? Sean said that they...
Red light run. Red light run. Red light run.
Doubt about her parentage, she names the kid Cicero. Now, Caesar himself would never publicly admit to being the kid's dad, but Cleopatra rarely missed an opportunity to tell the world where that sperm came from for that.
Exit dive up there.
She's like, hey, scribe guy, I need a very graphic foot.
And another exit dive.
Spermal dynamics, just a diagram of everything that happened. Cleopatra's support. So he starts sending her, do you like me, check this box.
No, stop.
Though she resists him at first, she eventually agrees to go on one date with him if he'll have her exiled.
And nice cutoff. I wonder why that stop sign's there.
That. So the two of them
ever once. And it's like, that's what great players have to do. The NHL, you're going to get hit eventually, and it happens.
Yeah, you're kind of in the wrong side of the road there, buddy.
The U.S. gunner's flying down there 2 weeks between us. I want to close that 7,000-mile difference and have her...
Red light run, red light run. Red light run.
By Osage names. Anna was Laramampa. Minnie was Vajaja.
Red light run.
And
red
Rita,
light run.
Mason.
Red light run.
Who vowed to eliminate the criminal element that is a parasite upon those who make their living by honest means. He had worked closely.
No, stop, Toyo. Turd.
Struggling to
Have you ever got anything so?
No, I haven't. So like, it's just an anxiety thing, but like.
No. I mean, like,
there's
stop.
been plenty of times where I'll go to a store and if they don't, I'll always try to forget.
Mounted his horse and went in pursuit. He also kept a pack of bloodhounds, which he sometimes deployed in the chase.
Nice cutoff.
One summer day in 1892, when Tom was 11.
We need you. Are you working with, like, the French space program over there?
No, I'm just doing my thing. So I've been consulting with U.S. companies.
Seriously. Why don't you try dropping off your kids in the parking lot instead of in the middle of the busy street here? Though having the stop sign that lights up there for the crossing guard, that's actually kind of cool. I like that. Ugh, people. And you can't even clear off the back window. It's not very safe when you're transporting your kids around, is it? You can't see what's around you.
I'm hanging on you for sure, his friend said. White was
No, stop!
the investigative bunch and ruled him out as a suspect. As one
Driving and cut along a dirt road through the prairie. Lush, tall grasses spread as far as the eye could see. A rolling green expanse that was disturbed only by a few small rusted oil pumps and by cattle grazing here and there. Earlier, when I drove to Grey Horse, I'd been startled by the sight of bison roaming through the prairie.
What the hell are you
with
doing
their
in the
bowed
left
heads
lane?
and massive woolly bodies.
It's like I'm barely going the speed limit and you're just sitting there. Kia.
Redcorn said. There was nothing wrong with him. His wife made off with a lot of the money. The family was convinced that he had been poisoned, but there was never an investigation.
Terrifying, concerning, alarming. It's a little concerning.
No, stop!
And or alarming. Anyway, we have other stuff.
Why not Lil Nas X? Yeah. And that's good too.
Did he? Let me ask you this: is this an accurate reflection?
Really?
Of reality? Have you played one-on-one against Satan before? And
No trucks in the left lane. No, no, no. You cannot be there if we're in Connecticut. No trucks in the left lane. No, no, no. You cannot be there if we're in Connecticut. But luckily for you and for all of us here, we are not in Connecticut. We are done with that stupid state. Yay! Yep, we are done with Connecticut. I am never going back there ever again. Yay! Well, this is the end of the video. Hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye!